Hi everybody. Today's topic will be resume makeover. Already you have a resume, so how to fix it onto something which is of value. You are going to apply to some places and you have an old resume and it runs to more than 2 or 3 pages. So let us make it into at least 2 pages. Let us start with the presentation. And yes, give me 2 seconds. Here is the thing that we are going to work on. So hope everybody is able to see the presentation. Let me make it full screen. Yeah. So if the foundation of career aspiration, sorry about this. Crafting a powerful summary. So every resume already you have, if you have a resume, you know that you need to write a powerful summary as you start with your resume. It is already there, just you have to make it crisper. That is step one. And the foundation of career aspiration is crafting career foundations. Your summary is the base camp of your resume journey. So that is what you should be doing. Building the resume foundation, crafting resume identity, which kind of profile that you are targeting onto. So your name should be on the top and aspiring the thing, business development executive or IT head kind of thing. You can write all those and then go to the second step 2, showcasing key skills and achievements. That is what you do after the summary is done. So what is the essential tools for resume journey is identifying your key skills, showcasing achievements, crafting a compelling story, tailoring for impact, utilizing keywords. So these are the things that you need to do in your resume. So this is very easy to do once you have so much of experience. I presume that that is what you do. Step 3 is highlighting relevant experience. For this particular job that you are applying, you should highlight the experience in such a manner that it resonates with the profile of wherever you are applying. Suppose you are applying for jobs like business development. So when you are doing all your resume should be using that keyword business development. All those things that you have done in business development should be there in the resume. It is not that all other experiences that you have should not be mentioned. Those should be mentioned, but highlighted areas should be business development. And you can also integrate those ideas together to business development activities as well. Then highlighting relevant experience. Experience shapes career narrative, mapping skills to job, quantifying achievements as mile markers, tailoring resume for different audiences. So if it is for HR executives, they will be very kind of stiff into their job. But in any case, this point, you should, what you can do is um, uh, just assume that everybody that you are applying, wherever you are applying, is into that same kind of experience, same kind of uh, profile, senior management. So that is what you should be targeting to address, so that anybody who sees that looks from that perspective. So nurturing your career growth, crafting effective resumes. How do you do that? Your career growth might have been through different experiences. So how do you put that in your resumes. What you can do is tailor to job description, quantify achievements, utilize keywords, highlight transferable skills, showcase professional developments. Then step 4 is quantifying accomplishments. So when you say whatever your accomplishments are, guiding compass towards career goals are quantified achievements. The resume is a game changer. 75% weightage is given to this. Signifies impact of quantifying accomplishments or resumes. Like if you have you are in a sales career, then you should, and sales is very important aspects in any kind of job that you apply. If you have a sales experience, then it's a immense values to your CV. So mention how much sales you have done against the target that you were given. Then setting your career direction, quantifying achievements effectively. So career direction, which way you are thinking your career should go, and you have to use your metrics, your action oriented language, align with industry standards, and incorporate visual elements. Use graphs, charts, or impacts. So I actually do not recommend the visual elements right now because we are restricting our resume into 2 pages, but that can be there when you are preparing a supplementary resume. A visual resume you can also have, and in that you can be just kind of uh, narrating whatever experiences you have. Then step 5 will be incorporating keywords for optimization. So there are many companies who are what they are doing is they are allowing you to upload your CV, and when they are searching for a certain keywords, your CV should be at the top. How do you do that? It enhances visibility, demonstrates relevance, improves searchability, boosts interview chances because your CV has appeared in the search, keyword search. That is how it will be, at least for the first round it will be there. It will be picked up for consideration for the next level. Then survival kit for job market competition is keyword optimization strategies. So what are the industry specific keywords you have to research? Action verbs for engagement, quantify achievements for impact, customize for each job, proofread for effectiveness. What I suggest here is first you have to have a resume for a particular kind of job that you are applying for. Business development is one, research is another, analysis is the third one category. So it is based on your own aptitude level. So for that particular aptitude level, you have to create a different kind of resume. The experience is the same, but any particular resume does not kind of is kind of is in silo kind of platform. It will include a bit of every experience of yours. So utilize that to highlight whatever you want to highlight. Step 6 is enhancing readability and visual appeal. So it has to be like you have to use the underline, the bold thing, and the paragraph should be aligned and put in a way that every it catches your the eyes of the reader. So it will as has been described here. It has readability focus, visual appeal impact, efficiency boost, recruiter engagement. Those will happen once your keywords are very crisp and readability is very enjoyable, right? And crafting a professional image is the formatting as just I have mentioned, strategic white space, font selection, bullet point usage, visual elements integration. Step 7 is tailoring for the target role or industry. That already we have discussed. It is kind of gearing up for specific demands, customized for relevance. There may be, when you are uploading your CV into a database, you have to also focus on the relevance that you are looking. The demands, job demands will be kind of different. Do you know or not? Many companies do not publicize their job requirement, and that segment is 80% of the market. Only 20% of the job requirement gets publicized, because that is where people, the senior management, can put their fingers on what is the requirement. 80% of the time they do not know what they want. So what that advantage you can take, stand out to recruiters with some specific thing, some specific aspects about your personality. And so that is what you need to use your resume for. And the career path, how do you look for your career path? It is irrespective of what people are looking or what the company is offering. It is what you are looking for in your career. Or, for example, suppose you are heading a segment in your company where you have a lot of dependencies on other people. So you don't want those dependencies to a certain degree. Of course, there will be dependency in every company, but to a certain degree, you are independent. You can inform people, but your opinion also matters. You would like that to happen. And that you need to mention in that resume. Step 8 is including professional development and certifications. All of us have certain professional development courses at times, and certifications, those need to be included. And the next is comprehensive approach for resume enhancement and success. It should not be kind of just static. It has to change. Your certification needs to have different meaning for different job profile. And you need to keep on updating yourself with professional development courses or your industry specific training. You are looking for going to some other sectors, then those courses needs to be done and incorporated in the CV as well. Awards and recognition, of course, it adds value. The step 9 is seeking feedback and making revisions from your mentors, your friends. Get their insights from the reflection and adjustment that you do in your resume, because this is a constant thing. You do not maintain the same resume for your entire career. Each time you do something, it has to be added into your resume. Continuous improvement in your career path, feedback driven resume enhancement, always do, and consistency in format has to be maintained. Utilize metrics, tables if you can, but in place, table is kind of not very readable. So uh, you have to have those matrices in mind and describe in a manner that it captures all of your career achievements, but it doesn't repeat. No word should be repeated. And the final step is finalizing a stellar resume, craft your resume journey to the summit of success. So assess career progression, update skill section, revise professional summary, quantify achievements with metrics, optimize keywords for visibility, format for readability. So that is what all you need to do and conquer the highest peak of resume. Your career is your business. It is time for you to manage it as a CEO, as Dorit Share says. Thank you for watching and hope this helps you. And I'll see you in the next video.